Mentah kasngi arfanyo tarik jembang arza penriu u Deputy Commissioner kari bhoi district u Abhilash Baranwal IAS ula penyo ya kedukaan cyber ya u samla pairing pali life license na kasnong po win belapa si ke exam SSLC watla udan hapdeng ka jingduna ha dkhotmet. Mentah kasngi kadai kasngi basa jingkan ma shirta ya uba pairing ha ka ba ka office jong u Deputy Commissioner ka district ri bhoi ula IT kawai ka dukan cyber ka badan haphallau jong ka office jong u Deputy Commissioner ha ka ba ya kani ka office la Sobha na po ka office jong Deputy Commissioner kari bhoi district bat la ai ringkat bat kikor komputer ban print bat ban xerox ya kikon hakan ni kasngi kraw jong uba pering la yadon lang ladu ka Deputy Commissioner ka ADC ka kong bala kentiu rani ka MDC jong ka nong ba constituency ka kong rona khemdej ki magister na po ka office jong ka jong DC lem bat ki bahyeng hasem jong uba pering ula yathu baningkong ulawan bu da kasithi sha uraja brama ubadai u ADC ban pensngau sha u halor ka jing pendam ka jong u ya ka computer class badukwa banseng ya dukan cyber hangni ha office jong u Deputy Commissioner ka district nakaliang uraja brama ula ai ya kata ka chithi jong uba pering sha udc bat nakaliang udc ula pha ya ka ADC jong ka district ka kong bala kentiu rani bakan penbet penbiang ya kijing don kam bat ban penyo ya ka dukan ba u angnut ban tre shitom bat upen pau ya ka jing ngongu ya udc bat ya barok ki officer ki bala penyo ya kanika dukan.
The fact, madam, that we have been thinking about this, that we should try and provide more opportunities to people with disabilities, because there are many job opportunities in which their handicap will not really be a handicap for them in earning livelihood. It's just that we have to provide suitable opportunities as a society to them. So this is one small initiative, but I would really like to thank our ADC, Srimati Balakinturani, because it was probably 3 or 4 days back only when I discussed the idea with her, and in a very short span of time she has not only been able to find the right person for the job, but also simultaneously do the necessary homework in terms of procurement of the machine, in terms of the revamping of the place, so that we can see the light of this day. So thank you, madam, and I hope that this small photocopier machine will only be the start, and with time, as your earnings will increase, you will add other essential items to it, for which we'll also try and get the help from all the different kind of schemes that our Honorable CM Sir has started. But lamination machine, a small computer, a printer, etc. would be the next additions that I hope Bapale will be able to make to this shop. So it's just a start, and I hope that this becomes very successful, and people will be able to utilize it in a very befitting manner. So thank you everyone for being present. I think that is an important event today. Thank you.